voicemail.
Hi, gang. Caffeine and BS for July 24th, 2019. As you can hear, Nana in the background chastising an ice tray.
Oh, hush.
The heat is getting to everybody.
Yeah, we're all going crazy here.
Yes. Hey, you want to bring Mr. Manus out here?
Sure.
Uh,
Second.
Earlier, Christy spotted a mantis on the barbecue. So I brought it in. It's a little thing, a tail curved back towards its head. Looks like he wants to pretend to be a leaf.
Well, he blends in real good with the sawdust, let me tell you.
Yeah.
Until he dries, that is. Then he'll be green again.
Yeah.
I thought he looked a little... I forgot they shed.
Yeah, when we caught him earlier, he was yellow, sort of translucent. Now, they say he's getting green and substantial.
Don't worry, Mr. Manus. I'll find a cat for some water. Though I don't think you need water. I think you'll like...
Here, use that.
Okay. When you're done with them, can you see the little booger? This one?
Turn off the overhead.
Can you see him? He kind of blends in there, folks. There he went, or she went.
There he is. See him?
He just fell down there in the corner.
No, he's right here. There you go. Okay, use that to give him water.
Okie doke.
Anyway, that's the big thing. We found a bug.